After using your machine, we recommend you purge the steam wand for a couple of seconds so as to clear any remaining milk in the wand. With the steam wand positioned down over the drip tray, turn the steam dial to the steam icon for a couple of seconds to allow the machine to create steam before turning it back to the vertical position. If any holes in the steam wand tip become blocked, these should be cleaned using the steam tip cleaning tool, as even partially blocked holes may affect the performance of the steam wand. To unblock, use the spanner in the middle of the steam wand cleaning tool to unscrew the tip. Soak the tip in hot water before using the cleaning tool to unblock. Then, replace the tip back onto the steam wand. Finally, turn the steam dial to the steam position to purge the steam wand after cleaning.